Mark positioning is a widely used visual cutting method for laser cutting machines. Features easy operation and high precision. In this episode, let's learn how to operate it together. To use mark positioning, install a camera on the axis beside the laser head. This demo uses Ruida camera module. The corresponding driver needs to be installed to use the mark point positioning function. Camera calibration. Complete camera calibration first before starting mark point positioning processing. Click Mark Point Positioning to enter its setting page. Import reference image. Move the camera above the image. First adjust the camera focal length, aperture and focus. Focal length. Adjust camera field of view. Aperture. Adjust camera brightness. Focus. Adjust camera clarity. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in or out on the camera view. Right-click and drag to move the camera crosshair. After camera adjustment, tune contrast, brightness and other parameters in the software to get a clear image in the end. Finish basic adjustments, then calibrate calibration dots. Take 5mm dots as an example. B stands for diameter 5 mm. Open camera parameters. Input the actual dot size into the size field. Click Calculate Scale. Then click Matching Test.